Let's go on to some of the newer additions now to the fund during the 2021 and late 2020 year. It was really a market upheaval situation through COVID in March of 2020, and the subsequent couple of months really provided a good opportunity to pick up some very interesting stocks while these were dramatically down on prior levels. It's really been Forager's bread and butter. It's been really pleasing that we've been able to pick up so many businesses at very attractive prices. Now, the chief lever there, the reason why we're able to purchase them at such attractive prices was the uncertainty that was prevailing at the time. So, for example, in a Life 360, which owns an app for tracking the movement of your teenage kids when they first start leaving the house, well, unsurprisingly, those teenage kids were not leaving the house during COVID. Lots of uncertainty from investors about when that movement will resume. Virgin UK, a UK-based bank, well, a lot of uncertainty around the mortgage repayments there and how, if the UK economy was going to go into more difficulty, those were going to get repaid. And even more locally, Adair's Group, it's a physical retailer and an online retailer, but the physical retailing was closed. Lots of uncertainty about what that meant for the profitability of the business.
A lot of people talk about buying when everyone is panicking. It's a lot harder to do than it is to say. And I think as a fund manager, it's really important that you've got the structural alignment right to achieve that. For us, having a closed-ended vehicle in March of last year was really important. It enabled us to invest every single cent of cash we had into the market in times of distress, and you can see that turning up in the results. It's also important to have the right psychological bent, and something that's part of our DNA here at Forager is to be greedy when others are fearful, and it's paid off a lot in 2021.